Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. So I am very excited to announce a new module in RepairBuddy to manage your repair shop expenses. And uh, let me introduce you with this new module that you can see all your expenses here, and you can easily add a new expense by going here, and to add new categories or edit existing categories, you can just go to categories page and add new category like this. After adding categories, you can add an expense like if it is related to tools equipment for repair shop. So you can easily manage your repair shop expenses here. And this is done. All right, after and in jobs, you can also add expenses related to jobs. For example, as you can see, this job have 75 euros expenses, yet I will add another expense in it. Let's say it's related to shipping. Send the product to customer. Whatever details you want to give it here. So now you can see the job is updated with a new expense. So here you can see, and here you can see all the expenses related to jobs and related to your repair shop and everything. So I hope this feature will be very useful, and you can calculate your repair shop's profit or loss on real time. Like if you are calculating expenses nicely on this job, it will give you all the details here, that what you bought, what you got, and what was the expense, and what is the profit. So I hope you like it, and you can also export the expenses in CSV and PDF, and you can also use various filters here. As you can see, we have many filters. You can see expenses like this, and you can also filter them. Let's say you want to see paid expenses or unpaid expenses, whatever, and this is how you can filter them. I hope you like it. Thank you.